This project involved using a game called Minecraft and really using that as a tool to drive the literacy and numeracy skills forward in the curriculum.
Well, it's sort of combining our digital literacy and numeracy skills and having fun at the same time.
Minecraft is the stimulus, it's the hook to get the children involved and get them motivated. So in this particular topic, the children made a football stadium. From that, we then looked at how we could apply our numeracy skills to it. So they did things like work out the area, the perimeter of the pitch. They worked out how many people they could seat in their stadium. And it just kept growing. The most challenging thing has probably been just being brave enough to get started with it.
We all love Minecraft at home, and to be doing it in school as well is something that everyone can enjoy.
The most pleasing element of this topic was probably working with the children and collaborating with them collaborating with each other, and the feedback from them and the parents has just been absolutely phenomenal. It's definitely something that other schools could take on board. I've got absolutely no skills in Minecraft whatsoever. If you were to put me on Minecraft now, I wouldn't know what buttons to press. But the children are the experts in Minecraft. I'm the teacher. I know what skills I want to teach and what I want to get across. So when you actually work together in partnership, you can create a really powerful topic.
So as far as my numeracy and literacy, I think they have improved. And because beforehand, I don't think we knew as much about area perimeter spreadsheets and things like that, because we've never used a spreadsheet before.
I think if we won, there'd be lots of jumping up and screaming from myself and the children, just because it would just be such a privilege to be recognised nationally for something that we've worked on together as a team. It felt like quite a big leap to use gaming in education, but it's actually been the most rewarding topic that I've done so far in my whole teaching career.